Are you searching for air conditioning repair or installation in Van Nuys? Want to get the job done right the first time? Want to get done quickly and at a great price? Then watch this.
Found this awesome company, insured and bonded, plus they offered a free estimate. How could Jim argue with that?
So we got the free estimate and I was really surprised.
They were great.
The price couldn't be beat.
And they are real professionals.
The quality of work was excellent.
They cleaned up after themselves, didn't make a mess.
They were fast and willing to work with our schedule.
I would recommend them to anyone.
Same here.
Hi, my name is Kate, and I just wanted to make this quick video to tell people that AC Repair Centers works with real professionals who provide accurate estimates and definitely stand behind their work. That's really important to me because as a commercial property manager, I can't afford to have AC problems. And even if you're already using someone else, I would highly recommend getting the free estimate just to see how they compare. At least it will keep everyone honest. So thanks a whole lot, AC Repair Centers.